Welcome to D-Wallet, your #1 decentralized wallet. In this video, you will learn how to add different networks into your D-Wallet on a browser extension. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your wallet by inserting your password. Once you have unlocked your wallet, go to d-wallet.io. Step 2. Click on the Networks option on the top. Then it will link you to a new tab called D-Wallet Compatible Chains. Step 3. Find the network you would like to add. Then click Connect Wallet and Add to D-Wallet respectively. When you are done with these steps, the D-Wallet small window will pop up. Press Approve. Step 4. After your approval of adding a new network, you have a choice to switch your network right away or later on. When you open your D-Wallet extension, the switching network option will be right at the top of your extension. For more information, news, updates, and special offers, visit us at d-wallet.io.